This Coldwell Banker Advantage property video is presented by Yesenia Meza. This home is in need of some TLC, but it has potential. 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths, open kitchen, living and dining area, full unfinished basement and main floor laundry for convenience. Easy access to ATV and snowmobile trails, just minutes from Lake Petenwell/Wisconsin River and Nekoosa Ho-Chunk Gaming Casino. Measurements are approximately. Please verify if important to buyer. Property is being sold as there is an old mobile trailer on the property. Seller will not be removing. For more information, review the details below or contact Yesenia Meza at 715-325-7335.